I'm going to be showing you how to check on your messages in eBay. So let's get right into it. So if you're receiving a message in eBay and you don't know where to actually look for it, then this video is for you. So what you need to do is first select whether you're using an app or a browser. And once you've done that, you just need to go to it. I have both the browser and the app. So it's pretty similar in the iPhone, so let's get right into it. So once you're here, all you need to do is look at the top where you can find the three-lined button right there. So it's on the top right. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can find all these options. So what you need to do is find messages right there. So it's right there at the first. So it's right above watch list. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load. And now you can find all of the messages that eBay has been sending you. You can choose to delete it, or mark as unread, or mark as read, or archive it. So there you go. That's how you check messages on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.